This is Yoruba Cinema Legacy TV. Welcome to today's episode. I just wanted to make a quick update on one of my videos that we were talking about kind ladies that they don't hold back. They never take no for an answer. I said one thing in that video. I said I wasn't sure if Sola, Sobowale ever acted with the other remaining 9. Guess what I saw in the archives? I saw where Sola, Sobowale, and Messi Aigbe acted together. So I just wanted to share that with you all. So amazing. Do you want to know the title of this movie, or does anyone know the title of this movie where both of them acted together? I would love to hear from you. All right, stay tuned. See you next time. Bye bye.
Ìwọ sí mi. Kí Ọlọ́run. Ìwọ sí mi. Kí Ọlọ́run. An engagement ring. Kí wàá àtàwọn ẹgbẹ́ rẹ tó ń gbé káàkiri. Kẹ́lẹ̀ start ní orí.
Nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ gan nìyẹn.
Not possible. Onírànú aṣẹ́wó. Ìwọ sí mi. Kí Ọlọ́run. Òrùka. An engagement ring. Kí wàá àtàwọn ẹgbẹ́ rẹ tó ń gbé káàkiri. Kẹ́lẹ̀ start ní orí.
Nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ gan nìyẹn.
Not possible. Onírànú aṣẹ́wó. Ìwọ sí mi.